Okay, slowly now, Mike, slowly.
To replace the track grousers on the D10 dozer,
Watch yourself.
Tony's counting on his improvised platform, holding the weight of the 63-ton machine.
Hold it. Good, hold it. Good. Weld the on your end, weld up. Just weld the thing.
Cousin Mike welds both halves of the platform together.
Well, that went good, huh? Okay, Mike, can you spin the one track, please? Go the other way. Okay, speed that thing up a bit. I'm pretty happy with that, Mike. Good job. It seems to be sitting nice and steady, which is good. Tack. Well.
With the D10 dozer secure, Tony's crew weld grousers to its tracks. And they must race against the clock to get the same job done on the D11.
Turned out pretty good, Mike, huh?
Yeah, I did.
Make a difference in the cut too, I bet you, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Get some new toenails on, as they say. Anyway, that should give you some good grip. Okay, get that thing in the cut. I'll be right beside you in a minute. We're gonna hold that blue cut empty.
Yep.
So you're gonna do some ripping. I'll be doing some loading. I'll get more trucks in there. Bingo.
Okay.
Good.
Both dozers repaired and back in the game, Mike and his crew can now complete stripping the blue cut extension by the end of the week.
It's a good thing they got them grousers fixed in time. And we still have loads of ripping to do.